Right, so shavers, they don't last long. Well, I don't know, this has been hanging around for a while. It's probably quite old, but charged it for 12 hours yesterday and it kind of like went flat after 5 minutes. So it's a Panasonic ES-SL41 1.2 volt. It's not lithium ion, it's NIMH, which yeah, probably don't last that long. So let's have a look. One screw at the end. I have seen another one being taken apart, so let's have a looky. So we take that screw out at the bottom. So a video I watched, I can't even remember half of it. I remember this screw and that's about it. There's some other bits that sort of pop out. So we'll see what we've got. Screw out. We need to pop this out somehow. This is where I start ruining all the plastic and rubber bits. No. Oh, that's quite a good one. So just pushing it in the side there. That comes out. A couple more screws. Pop that there. Let's undo these bad boys. Same length as the other one. It's when you start getting millions of screws of unequal length, and then you just got to try and remember which of the short ones go where and long ones go where, kind of thing. I think something's got to come out here. Looks like there's a screw coming the other side. Let's use my yeah, something screws in there. This needs to come off. And that's it. Is that it? Probably not using the best screwdriver for this. There seems to be a wee hole there. Come on. Not bad, not totally wrecked. This rings a bell. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws there. Let's switch again. I think this will be fairly easy to do. What I'm using is just an old NIMH battery I got. Well, it's not that old. Came as a pack in a I've forgotten what it was in now, but it's like a new nasty Chinese battery. So this isn't too bad actually. Less than a minute ripping it apart. No, tell a lie, it's 3 minutes. So yeah, if you have got one of these shavers, it might be worth trying to change the battery if the cutter and foil are okay in it. Thought this was going flat very quickly. Right, I think I don't know what I think. Let's put that one back in. Yeah. Should something, maybe this needs to, let's do a little bit of that. So all the springs and bits and pieces come out. Come on. Quite careful, this plastic. Oh, let's take the head off. Oh god, this is gonna, yeah. So I'm guessing that piece of plastic at the top all comes off. Any screws under there? No. Ooh, creaking stage. Creaking stage. Boredom levels increasing. Mess. There's the battery, I can see that in there. Right, let's put the bigger flathead piece on. Bit harder than I wanted to. Pull that, but nothing's broken, so we're all good. More screws coming out. Gonna need a soldering iron. Seven minutes. If you're still watching, well done. Bonus bit of video at the end. Waterproof seal, motor, said battery with some. If that's the case and it just pushes in, that could be quite easy to do. Wires everywhere. We need to push in that. Push that through. That's not going to go through. It does just push in the case. Oh, we want that. But look at that. Or maybe not look at that. What on earth's going on? Right, polarity. We got minus and plus. So plus is at the rear, minus is at the top. What have they done? This is odd. It's a shame the battery just doesn't push into the holder. It's got at least it's not a lithium. You ever seen a battery like that? How on earth you solder that in? Look at that. Right, soldering iron next. Right, we are back. We have a soldering iron. I don't want to burn myself with. And we have my battery. Not sure what I'm going to do here. I'm going to try and get this thing off. Oh, I think it's a rubber cap that goes on the end. Yeah. Look at that. We just need to get all of that out. Or I do. Oh God. I can't see myself somehow making that. What we do is solder that onto there somehow. Need a bit of, let's work this up, plus. I'm not sure on this. Battery holder, soldering iron that I'm just going to drop on my legs in the carpet. I need a holder, don't I, for my soldering iron. Bit of solder. Let's see what happens. See if we can get some magic. Can't see this working. Oh, what is that? I can see it. Does it have to be straight? Does it have to fix properly? Oh my God, we're gonna die. Ow. Come on. Well, that. Well, that. Do we like that? Is it stuck? No. Am I destroying the battery? Probably. One done. I've done one. That is pretty central as well. Right, the next one. On the minus side. Ooh, that hasn't gone well. You might be able to just bung that in. Right, I think we're going to try this. Unconnect the soldering iron for safety purposes. Now, here comes the exciting part. Do we need that on there? Let's put it on there. And then there was that bit. Positive at the end, negative at the top. Old battery, new one in, press on button, which is basically that. So we need to basically got a bit of a funny connection down there. In there, it's not making contact. We pop this out, we're probably gonna knock that off. Let's go for some careful modification. Right, we could do with a slight piece of paper down there. Like that. Seems right. Right, we pop this back into there. Oh, slight mistake. That needs to push out there. I think it's still in place. I don't know. Try it again. Yep. Good. Right. 19 minutes of fun. So, reverse order. Put that on there. The only thing I'd say after doing one of these is, if you do use it in the shower, I don't know how waterproof it's going to be. Got a load of screws here. Alright. Here we go. Lefty loosey, tighty righty. I think that's an Americanism. Lefty loosey, tighty righty. So, I think it's a success. No one has been hurt. No shavers have been hurt. Ooh. Couple in the back. Couple at the bottom. And we should be good to go. I'll probably put it on charge. Hopefully, the other thing to consider is that it will charge. Might just go and check that. It charges, put it in and the red light comes on, take it out of the base, switch it on, put it in, go in and it switches off, so those contacts are all good in the hood. Tighty righties all the way. Tighty righties. No lefty loosies, all tighty righties. We've got two left. Top two. So yeah, that's quite some battery by Panasonic. I think they're about... what am I doing? No, they don't go in there. One in the bottom. Going a bit insane in the membrane. One in the bottom. See, I've got one right at the top. Bonus screw. She's in. Right, we've got that, 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 that. Doesn't like going in this side. Ooh. Have we broken something? Methinks we may have. Ow. Let's put this on. Let's squeeze. That doesn't seem to want to stick now. I don't know if to. Oh, that looks like there's a screw hole there. How would I get to that? There. Oh dear me. We need to pop this out somehow. Yeah, we love plastic. That needs to come out. I think I must have forced it earlier. That's a bit of a trick. Look at that. See that hole there? I pulled the screw through. So we need... That's why the plastic's not staying in. Oh, lefty loosey. We are going to do one of these. don't fall for that trick. Make sure this screw is taken out. Right. That goes on there. Straight away that's pretty much in place anyway. Lift that up. That screw goes in there. Imagine making it, if this isn't made by robots, imagine doing this day in, day out, making shavers. This is made China. So that's in place. Push that down. That goes up. That works. That works. The last piece, that. Push that into there. And we are done. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, thumbs up. We don't allow thumbs down on this particular video. It's very naughty. Yeah? No, joking. Oh, we're missing a bit. Ah! It's got to be a push. Right, we have got some markages on there. That's nice. Get your pliers and just run over this bits that's sticking up, and that you can't even tell, you can't feel it. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, good. Oh, even better now. Yeah, once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget, rate, subscribe, and get battery, charger, shaver changing, something like that. Bye.
Mummy, he's stuck in the roof. Side flip and back flip. He wouldn't want to see it. He's staring his pants now. It's really, really funny. Hello, funny man. Kids, see how funny it is? It is so hilarious. Look. It's like Spider-Man doing back flips and front flips. See? He's unstickable. See? He does 4-leg crouch. See?